Everyone, the question I get asked the most lately is, when do I start my fall garden? And it's really very simple. We're going to cover that in today's video. I'm going to talk about when to start, what to plant, and how to get started. So come on over with me and let's chat fall gardening. First off, to know when to start your fall garden, you need to find out your first frost date of the season. And you find this by going to almanac.com. They have a frost date calculator. You can type in your zip code. It'll give you the first frost date in your area. And then you start your seeds about 8 to 10 weeks before that. Now, if you live in a southern climate where you don't have frosts, the best time to grow your cool weather veggies for fall are in the winter months. For me here in SoCal, the best time for that is November through March. So you would start your seeds about 8 to 10 weeks before the 1st of November. What you plant in your fall garden is crucial, and this is where a lot of people make the mistake. You want to plant cool weather veggies that are designed for growing in cooler temperatures of the fall. They thrive in temperatures under 75 degrees. Many of them will even take a light frost. For example, I started some cool weather veggies inside a couple of weeks ago, and a really popular category of cool weather plants are greens. You got to have those winter salads. We've got mustard greens. Lettuces are great to grow in the cool weather. Arugula is a very easy green to grow. And a lot of these will even take a light frost. Now, another good category are root vegetables such as beets, carrots, and radishes. Grow beautifully in cooler temperatures. And you gotta have your broccoli, your cabbages, your collard greens, and your peas. Who doesn't like a nice sweet pea in the cool temperatures? Now, don't worry if you're a little bit overwhelmed about what to plant in your fall garden. I've made it simple. I put 14 cool weather veggies together in my fall garden seed collection to make it easy for you so you can get going without skipping a beat. How do you start your fall garden when it's summertime? Well, what you want to do is start your seeds indoors because it's way too warm right now to grow them outdoors. Start them indoors under grow lights. That way, when it gets to the cooler months, you'll have transplants ready to pop into the garden, which is going to save you a lot of time. You'll be able to get some harvest, get your plants good and established in the ground. That way they can take that light frost and you can grow them into the early winter months. So just keep it really simple. Start your seeds in these little 6-packs, just like you did for your spring garden, and go back and watch the First Time Gardener series so you know exactly how to get your seeds started indoors. And for an additional resource, I really recommend you pick up my book, Organic Gardening for Everyone. I cover cool weather veggies versus warm weather veggies in a lot more detail here in this book. And grab one of my fall garden seed collections, 14 varieties in here of cool weather veggies. When you grab the seed book bundle, it's already discounted $5, and I am running a really good sale this weekend, 30% off with the code FALL. Applies to all my seed collections, CaliKim Smart Pots, my seed book bundles, and my garden kits. And you're also going to receive a free lettuce seed packet with your purchase. Something kind of special here, you're going to get a CaliKim pen. So head over to CaliKimGardeningHome.com, use the code FALL to get your 30% discount, and let me know in the comments if you'll be growing a fall garden with me this year. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.